finally, I get to do this kind of video where I will be able to share with you the things that I've learned here on YouTube, that is doing my thumbnail as well as uploading them or updating them here in my phone. Of course, in this video, you only need 2 applications, so let's hop into it. So as you can see on the screen, I really do such thumbnails na parang sobrang daming florals, parang madoodle, and then more on the pink and nude shade. Ewan ko, yun lang yung muna yung thumbnails na ginagawa ko. And it really attracts me. So parang yun din yung ginagamit ko to attract my viewers. Kasi thumbnails, sobrang big impact siya when it comes to your YouTube channel or your YouTube content. Para rin ma-attract mo yung viewers mo. So let's hop into the tutorial. So in this tutorial, the only thing you need is Canva and YouTube Studio. Of course, you already have your YouTube. So let's first go to Canva. Of course, free to sa iOS and Android. You only need your Google account or your Facebook account to log in. And then I will show you here. Here is the thing that I did. Nag-practice na kasi ako. So ito yung ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. And then here you will search YouTube channel art or YouTube. So, sa YouTube channel or sa YouTube, dito nyo na makikita yung parang mga free thumbnails or templates na ginawa na ng Canva na pwede nyo nang i-edit. And then, let's do something na parang for fashion vlog. So, let's do something like that. So, maghanap lang tayo ng template na medyo related na sa fashion vlog. So, let's use this one. Okay. So here, parang ang ginagawa ko is iniiba ko yung fonts, ine-edit ko siya, naglalagay akong florals, which I will show you right now. So you will need to click this plus para mag-add kayo ng text, images, illustrations, shapes, logos, templates, pages, and packs. Of course, everything is free, pero may mga bayad din, but I suggest doon na lang kayo sa mga libre since marami naman sila at marami kayong pagpipilian. So, if fast forward ko na, i-edit ko lang to and then I'll show you how I style my thumbnails. And there, as you can see, in-edit ko na siya. And now, let's put on some text. Ito kasing ginagawa ko is fashion vlog. So, I will put fashion vlog. And then, normally, the type of font that I use is brusher or typewriter. So, I will put brusher right now. Brusher, there. And then, lalakihan ko siya. Or, pwede mo rin siyang lakihan here. Pag kinlik mo yung, ayan. Pwede mo lakihan here using this one. Kung saan kayo comfortable. And then, I will change the color. So, I will use brown or pink. So, medyo ibahin natin. Pwede nyo siyang i-edit here. There. And then, you can change the photo as well. So, when you click the photo, ayan, pwede nyo i-click to. Or, there. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang i-double tap. And then, zoom in, zoom out. There. Double tap, zoom in, zoom out. Ayan. If you're not contented with your raw photo, pwede nyo siyang i-edit here. So, click filters, advance, and then there. Ayan, brightness, contrast, or you can choose any filters na free na here. So, normally, I choose here. Ito ang pinipili ko. Nasaan na ba yun? I choose Nordic or this one. Nasaan na yung lagi ko pinipili? Hindi ko mahanap. Ayan. Ayun, ring. And then, this one. And then, advance. Medyo tinataasan ko lang yung contrast. Baba na konti yung brightness. Ayan. So, normally, that's the thing that I use or I do to my photos. And then, duplicate natin to. Gawin nating white, yung top. There we go. White. And then, gawin natin shadow yung pink niya. Ayan. And then, from here, I do add on such as here sa illustrations, I use florals or search for florals. I really love florals when it comes to my thumbnails. So, nagdadagdag lang ako ng florals and sparkles. Florals and sparkles, then tapes. So, punta muna tayo sa tapes. Tapes. Let's search for tapes. Search. Ayan. Or tape. Ayan, tape. Kasi andito yung may floral. Ayun, ito yung lagi kong dinadagdag minsan. So, I'll put it here. And then, pwede nyo ibahin yung color. But for me, hindi ko na kailangan ibahin. So, illustrations, tape. So, let's add more on the flowers. Ayan. I really love flowers when it comes to my thumbnails, as you can tell naman. And then, florals. I do add a lot of florals. Meron kasi dito parang embroidered flowers na parang pag ayan o, ayan, ang hilig ko talaga dyan. And then, I'll put it at the back. And then, add more. Gusto ko kasi parang doodled siya na thumbnail. Doon kasi ako na-attract, so that's how I attract my viewers as well. I hope it's effective, but I guess it is kasi dati naman hindi naman ganito yung thumbnails ko. But right now, it's a big help for me. So let's just change the color of that. Gusto ko kasi nagbe-blend out, and then let's put on sparkles. Ayun lang yung nilalagay ko sa tabi ng eto, let's see, there. And then, sparkles again. And click. And then, let's turn that to yellow. There we go. There. And then, once you're done, you can actually save it from here. Kiklik nyo lang tong arrow sa upper right na naka-point down. So, once you click that, mag-automatically save na siya dun sa photos nyo. Ayan. So, if wala namang bayad, wala namang magpa-pop up. Pero pag may bayad, may magpa-pop up na parang, would you like to pay for this or that? Or kailangan mo na lang siyang baguhin if ayaw mo magbayad. So, let's go now to our YouTube studio. Dito na natin i-update or i-upload ang ating thumbnail. So, let's say for instance, gusto nyong ibahin lang yung thumbnail, you can do this. Or if may bago kayong upload, pwede nyo rin ilagay dito once uploaded na siya. Magpa-pop na siya dito sa application na to. So, let's go here sa dashboard. And then, videos. So, mag-iba lang tayo ng, galing na dito sa akin kasi wala naman akong bagong video. So, let's find some private videos na pwede ibahin. Let's go to private. So, let's say, Yellow January. Ayan. So, gusto ko ibahin yung thumbnail na to. So, all I have to do is click this pencil sa upper right. This one. And then, edit thumbnail, you just need to click that, edit thumbnail. And then, as you can see, magsasuggest siya doon sa video mo ng thumbnails na gusto mo. Pero if you have your own thumbnail, you just need to click this change. And then, all photos, andito na yung in-edit natin. So, click that one. And then, select. And then, save. There we go. Then, i-check natin sa YouTube channel natin mismo kung nag-update na nga ba. So here, once you click that, go to your channel, and then videos, and then let's find Yellow January. Yellow January. Ayun. So as you can see, my Yellow January already changed its thumbnail na parang yung inedit natin kanina andito na agad. Sobrang dali lang. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa Chrome and use desktop site para mag-change. The things that you need is the YouTube Studio. So I hope this really helps you. And basically, that's it. That's how I change and that's how I do my thumbnails. I hope this helps you find your own art or you find inspiration in doing your thumbnails as well. And I hope I help you find your own kind of creativity here sa Canva. Kasi ang dami nyo talagang pwedeng matutunan sa Canva. Ang daming styles and ang daming suggestions na thumbnails. So I hope you find yours. And I'm really happy that you click on this video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gian Monique. It really means a lot if you would click that subscribe button. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below more video suggestions you want me to do. And always remember to have a soft heart and a brave soul. Bye! See you in my next video!